Hey guys, if you're going to use an automatic car wash, the car wash mode will be helpful. So under the settings, go to service, and here we can enable car wash mode. So this will, for example, close all the windows, lock the charge port, etc. So let's enter that car wash mode, and for an automatic car wash you still need to enable free roll. So it says press brake and shift to D to enable. I'm pressing the brake down and then I'm using this to switch to D, and now I have the option of pressing on enable free roll. It actually also folds the mirrors automatically at this point, and it switches to neutral. So now when the car is in neutral, I can let the car roll in the automatic car wash. Hope this video was helpful.